Scott, I must love you today. I just keep coming over here.
You do? You come over, say hi.
I just can keep coming over here. Anyways, we know that we're talking about a first alert weather day today, so we have to just kind of debrief and unpack all this for us. How long is this going to last? Are these storms going to stick around for a while, and where exactly are they?
We have some storms already this morning. I think they're going to dissipate over the next few hours, but it's later on this afternoon in the evening hours, Carmen, in the southwest sides of North Texas where we have slight risk of severe storms. That's why we have the first alert weather day. So I want you to stay weather aware. Large hail, damaging winds being the biggest threat later on this afternoon. There is a slight risk of those storms reaching severe limits. Our Dallas City cam is looking west, where we're seeing some more of the storms that have developed so far this morning for you. Let's get right to the first alert satellite and radar combined. Nothing is severe, but we do have some heavy rain on some of the area roads in parts of Parker County, southwest sides of Tarrant County, continuing also down through parts of Bosque County, now into Johnson County. So the heavier rain right along 20 and 30 if you're going to be traveling east or westbound towards or away from parts of Parker County through west sides there of Tarrant County. This complex, which has been on a weakening trend, is going to continue to work northeast at 20 to 25 miles per hour. So it's going to be at Texas Wesleyan about 716, Haltom City 723, and North Richland Hills 732. From there we go down to Hamilton County, where we do have a storm that has possibly half-inch size hail with it down near Hamilton, also moving to the northeast at 25 miles per hour. It's going to be in Cranfield's Gap around 5 minutes after 7 and Meridian 739. Looking at the potential hail size, at least our product here showing pea-size hail showing up in parts of Hamilton County. So we're seeing some storms developing this morning as we have a mid-level jet streak moving overhead. That's an area of energy that's moving overhead, allowing this lift to develop. However, we also have a cap in place over North Texas. So I expect to see the storms then on a weakening trend going through the next few hours. And our first alert futurecast picks up on that, but it also picks up on how later on this afternoon some scattered storms will develop. Then the majority of these strong to severe storms, or the parameters, are mainly southwest sides of North Texas between 3 to about 8 o'clock for tonight. Large hail and damaging winds being the biggest threat. Here we are 5 to 6 o'clock through Navarro County, stretching down into parts of Henderson and Anderson County by 7:30 to then 8. Then by the time we get to late tonight, a lot of the activity then tapering off. So that slight risk of any storms reaching severe limits does include Tarrant County down to Hill County and west and southwest of that area. Then there's a marginal risk of any storms reaching severe limits through Dallas County, Denton County, and a little bit of Collin County. So stay with the First Alert Weather Center. The First Alert team will keep you informed as we go through the day ahead. Large hail, damaging winds again being the biggest threats. I don't really anticipate a tornado threat for today. But where are we sitting as far as the temperature is concerned? For the majority of us, we're in the upper 60s to the low 70s. We're at 69 right now at DFW with a northeast wind at 9. It is 70 in Fort Worth to 71 in Corsicana, 70 Palestine to 66 in McKinney. Across the Metroplex, mid 60s to the low 70s holding together. Now looking ahead, the isolated storm chances at 20% through the morning hours. We're at 76 degrees by 11, but then this afternoon goes up to about a 40% coverage for us as high temperatures only reach the lower 80s. We have rain chances going up again for Thursday night as a cold front moves in, and as that moves in, maybe more storms developing along that. We'll keep our eyes on it. We're going to be seeing temperatures cooling down into Friday, 80 degrees for your high temperature. Saturday still below average, but then rounding out the weekend, we're back up to near average, and we start June on Sunday, 89 degrees to the 90 into next week.